Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to change the cover image of an Instagram Reels video. Instagram allows you to change a cover image of your Reels video in order to make it look more attractive. However, Instagram doesn't let change a cover image of the video that is posted. You need to do that while uploading your Reels video. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to the Instagram Home tab. Swipe right or tap your story in the upper left corner of the screen. Once the camera window opens, press on Reels at the bottom. Hit the button in order to start recording a video, or you can upload the one from your camera roll. After that, edit a video by adding stickers, drawing or writing something if you want. Hit the arrow button. Now click on Cover in order to change the cover image of your video. Choose the frame from a video or insert a picture from your phone's gallery. When the cover image is selected, tap Done. The only thing left to do is to share the Reels video. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to change the cover image of an Instagram Reels video. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.